Right, I'm gonna add. Alright, put some water for boil. Ooh. Damn, this is a lot of chicken. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new over here, I am Amanda, and happy Thursday to you. I'm gonna cook some chicken, I'm gonna take out back tonight. It's too much meat. I cook so much. I take out the piece there. I think this can do. This is enough. All right. This in the bag. Put it back in the freezer. All right, so I leave this, make it out some more. Right. All right, so guys, I'm going to this in the vinegar already. Recording boy. You know, I have limited space in here. You know, let me cook kind of fast. See that ear pan it's alright. Another piece of filler. Get this cook kind of fast. Quick. So for the people in Canada and New York and I think Florida too, our people overall experiencing the snowstorm. Keep safe. It will be over soon. No, small wish that they are there now. I enjoy the sun we are getting so. So keep safe, guys. Everything fat here. This one sharp alone. I still have to bring clean up the mirror. I got wash the knife again. Come slow cook. Final piece. Right. What is that? And salt. All purpose. Pimento, black pepper, I gotta start this meat powder. Nah, put too much of this in there, guys. Come put sauce in it already. Paprika. And a China man sauce. And a brown gal. Whoops. Alright, that's a lot. Rubbing everybody know. Mix and mingle time. Yeah. Pretty color. Look at all that goodness. Alright. So this is it. How is it looking, guys? Comment below, let me know. I'm gonna cover it too. I comment in below. I'm gonna use this. Yeah, guys. Alright, put some water for boil. Woo! Right, I'm gonna add a piece of butter to it. Guys, this is optional. It's just something I like to do. Yeah. Piece of butter. I'm also add the hot water. Alright, my rooster will hear you. How is it looking so far, guys? Let me know. Let me know. I think that rooster is saying it looks good. Alright, rooster, thank you. So I could step out of the kitchen a little bit. So we're going outside here. And more ackee open on the tree. Nope. No more ackee not open on this side. Hold on. Nice one there. This one ackee. One day get ackee open. Alright, what time is it now? It's 2:30 p.m. And happy Thursday evening to you all. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. We're on the road to 2,000k subscribers. Yeah, 2,000k subscribers. So subscribe, guys, subscribe. Ooh. Pot looking so good. Alright, so I'm adding the ketchup and you know the seasoning then. So I'm gonna cook it. It finish cook. Last lap. And guys, the pot land. Ooh. How is it looking, guys? It land. Alright. Why dumpling over here, so them dumplings are from yesterday, so I just warm them up. Yeah, so yesterday dumplings. Then, oh, guys, watch this mascot up on the fence. So you look for, look straight in here, guys. Yeah, you smell food. Alright, make sure it's a plate. Okay? Looks blurry, guys. Off a fence. Good lagi na it. Ayan, good lagi na. Carrots. Alright. Well, look at the grill is stand up. Alright. Go down in my cooking, guys. It smells so good, guys. But not cap. Not because I mean cooking. It smells really good. And it's pretty too. Okay, we can't open more restaurant, guys. One thing. So, don't say chicken with boiled food. This is right after the bone. All the people when they're cool, I probably want somebody to eat right now, but I want to stay warm in the cool. And the cold and the soon come on. I've all of my piece up here, guys. I'm missing pear, man. I was supposed to know by now I'm a pear lover. just like with the meat slide right after the bone. You see?